So this is actually really cool. This is a 1960s made pen dosimeter, and I'd only actually heard about these. All modern dosimeters are electronic for the most part, or they basically have little discs on the inside that they release the energy from and see how bright the lights release to see how much dose you got, and it requires a company to read them. This one, actually, an individual can read and reset using this old charger. And basically, what you do is you stick it on here, and then if you look down in there, if I can get it to focus, there's this scale, and the scale has a reading. Right now, you can maybe see that little line is just below 0. If I move the scale up with this tool right here, and then re-go down onto it, let's see here. You can see now that line is almost at the top of the scale. So basically, you would read this and see how much dose you had, and then you could go and reset it back to 0, and then the next person would be able to use it as well. It's a lot easier to see with your own eyes, but I just think that's really cool because this is, the original era for radiation detection, and like I said, I've never seen one of these before, and it's something that an individual can read instantly and know exactly how much dose they got. I have no clue how it actually measures the radiation. I'll have to look into that later. And I have no clue if it can still measure radiation, and I don't have any way of testing that. But yeah, so this is the Bendix dosimeter. I'd like to thank Jim and Marcella Powell for this. They were the ones who got it for me, and I'll add it to my collection. Thanks.